Good morning, VJools. This is my mask. I'm in the office, I don't need my mask. I'm a little bit early here, no one's here yet, so this is my second vlogging doing the office experience, and hopefully you guys find it interesting. And so this is I am Varouj and I have the channel VJools, and I wanted to make some vlogging videos. So I'm in the office and no one's here yet. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. And number 4 there. And number 5, it's me. And this is the beautiful sofa where we need to sit and we make some good jewelry stuff. And I'm gonna make coffee for myself. The office people are downstairs getting coffee, and I figured I come up and make this video and make coffee for myself, since we have the espresso machine here. As you guys can see, we have everything, and I learned how to make espresso. It's really amazing. A little bit of time for myself, making something different than jewelry. Since I'm a jeweler, I make a lot of jewelry designs and everything. I have, by right now it is 10:35. By 11 o'clock I have a client coming in. We're gonna be designing some beautiful jewelry for her new line, and that's gonna take a lot of my energy, maybe a few hours of it, and by end of it I'll be pretty tired mentally, and my eyes also. But you know, inside pretty much the manufacturing is kind of ongoing. I'm gonna get myself the milk to make my coffee. We had the birthday this week, and we have 2 cakes. I'm gonna use organic milk. This is really good. This is what is going on here. The finished stuff already. All right. Have a good day.
Thank you, my friend.
Alright, so I'm gonna set this down here. Hill Street Jewelry Mart. I'm gonna set a light because very difficult to see. The camera cannot capture what I'm doing, so maybe this is gonna help the camera to see what it needs to see, because this light is 5500K. It's LED. I can control the yellow and white light. So I'm gonna put this light on real quickly. I think this light's gonna work, since it was not easy to capture this corner. Let me see. Yep, it's all nice and lit. Awesome. So what we have to do is get this coffee making. Man, last time I asked Luis, he told me the name, but it's a coffee mug or something, you put the coffee in it. You get the pushing thing, and then you make sure that this is condensed nicely, pressed to do macchiato. Just put it in the machine like that. Remove this. By the way, this is the tip jar, and sometimes people come and put some money in here so we can reinvest to purchase coffee and milk, since we make a lot of coffee and milk for the clients, and they really like it. I mean, I like it too. The coffee goes, you press, right, the coffee's getting ready. Yay! I'm gonna have really nice, beautiful coffee for myself this morning. I missed my entrance. I had to make a U-turn because I was thinking, and so I was thinking, like, we, as running a show or a company or something, we buy time, and I was thinking, like, how much effort it's being put in the company, and I realized that even though you buy time, it doesn't mean you can get as much as you can think and push yourself to get. So what I'm saying is, like, your time, you cannot buy more time for yourself. You have 24 hours a day, and that's all you have. The time that you're buying from hiring people, it's completely different than your time. So I realize, like, you cannot waste your own time. You can utilize it. You should be organized enough that it's causing like bringing the max of results of whatever you're doing, and then so you can move on to the next before you run out of energy that you have to go sleep and rejuvenate and come back to do it again next day. Most likely you're going to be able to do 12 to 15 hours a day. You might be young enough to do 16 hours a day, and then there's a point where you're going to shut down, and then you have to go sleep and then come back. And then so utilize your time really, really carefully, really get the best out of it. So you don't just like think that you can hire more people, buy more time, and then it's going to be exactly how you do it. It's not. So this is what I was thinking this morning while I was driving and doing. So I mean, I knew about this, but then again, sometimes it runs out of the your subconscious mind does that to you. Something comes up, and then subconsciously you start thinking about it without even realizing, most of the time, not always, but most of the time. And you have to understand what's going on. So this is what I wanted to put out here today. Usually I wanted to call this Monday morning, but this is of course it's not Monday morning. Today is Thursday morning. So I'm gonna make my little milk here to finish my macchiato. I'm gonna pour some milk in here. There you go. So I'm waiting Looks like the office people are coming. So I have my beautiful coffee. Look at the difference. When you purchase a coffee from downstairs, it looks like that. Look at mine. Yeah. So let me check what's going on in here in the office. Good morning. Ricardo, he's amazing. He's doing all the amazing work. Hi Juan, how are you? Alright, so you guys see there's jewelry work being done, diamond setting being done, and yeah, you gotta make it go, and whatever you have to do, just do it. So make your Thursdays amazing, and talk to you guys later. So yeah, as you guys see, we are a jewelry company and we make all kinds of jewelry, beautiful jewelry. And if you guys are interested, visit Kabartsy.com and check out the stuff I designed. And if you guys like anything, just hit me up and let me know what do you think. And I'll be here to help you guys to make anything or purchase anything, or just if you guys have any questions about anything, just in general, I'll try to help you guys with any kind of question. So you have an amazing Thursday.